Okay, question 6. Curly hair is dominant over straight hair, little c. Before we go any further, we can do a legend right away. So let's do the legend off in a corner somewhere here. Here's our legend. If I have a capital C, doesn't matter what the other allele is, because capital C is dominant over little c, that's always going to be a curly hair individual. And the only way that I can be straight hair is if I have two little c's. Make those little c's very distinguishable for the capital letters and that, so you don't get them mixed up when we do more complex questions. So this one is straight. Okay, now let's go through the question. Is it possible for a curly hair male? So what they're asking you now is to just tell me if it's possible to have with a curly hair male, so step 2, underline the parent, that's one parent, produce a straight haired offspring when you cross that curly haired male with a straight haired female. So step 2, underline both the parents. Now this question is a little bit different because they put a offspring in the middle of it, but still you want to underline those two parents. Tell me their genotypes now. So the curly haired male, he has to have a capital C. But because this doesn't specifically tell me if that curly haired male is homozygous or heterozygous, we have to just put a line in here for now. We can't tell what it is. Cross that with a straight-haired female. The only way that she can be straight-haired female is if she has two little c's. Okay? Now, is it possible for these guys to have a straight-haired offspring? This is the offspring right here. Now, this is more of a theoretical question. They want you to show it in the Punnett square, but the only way that that would be possible is if this female donated a recessive allele for straight hair. What must this male have for there ever to be an offspring? Well, he must also be heterozygous. He must be carrying, he's still curly haired because he has a capital C, but he must be carrying the recessive allele for straight hair for there ever to be a straight haired offspring. Okay, so he has to be heterozygous. And if we wanted to show that in a Punnett square, like the question is asking, we put her across the top, put him down the side, and that's the only way that we can get any of these offspring, is if he is heterozygous. That's how you can show it in a Punnett square. This is our, this is our straight offspring. Okay, any questions, give me an email and we can go over this. Okay, thanks guys, bye.